So hi everyone, welcome to Sunshine Blast, and now today's video is regarding the coloring part and the wording part of um bubble calligraphy, 3D calligraphy, and this cartoon calligraphy. So let's start with the wording part. So wording part of bubble calligraphy. So when we are uh, write a word in the bubble calligraphy, always remember that we cannot write a letters single letters. We have to write a letter attached to the each other. For example, if I want to write a silly here, so how I will write? I'll draw S. Now for the A, we have to connect the A to the S. Now for the Y, we'll connect it with A. Now A, then L and I. Okay. For example, if I want to write Ganesha, so first I'll write G. Now for A, I'll attach the A to the G. Now N will be attached to the A. Same with the E, then S. To attach the S is little bit difficult. Then H and A. So this is how we have to write a letters in the bubble calligraphy. Now it's time for the coloring part. So to make the coloring in the bubble calligraphy, for example, I am writing A here. You can color any color here, but I prefer doing it because it should looks like a bubble, the bubble calligraphy is impressed with the bubbles. So you should make sure that you will take one a darker shade of the color and one should be lighter. It can be white, it can be for example, if I'm taking a blue, dark blue color, I can take one sky blue color also, so which is little bit at the faint side. So I'll just make an outline with this darker shade. And now I have the white color. Now I have this white color. I'll just make a shading part like this with the white color. And as I told you, this is impressed with the bubbles. So how we can give it a shape of bubbles? Just draw small drops in the middle like this. Okay. Now for the 3D calligraphy, Now we will start with the shading part of this 3D calligraphy. So for that we need a scale, this A, will draw a slanting lines there. Okay, now it start with for the shading part. So for the shading part, just draw with the soft hands some circles or line in the shading part in this area. And now just take one earbud. Just take one earbud, or you can take cotton and just rub it with that. It's done. Same thing, you can do it bit properly. And now this shading part here, yes, it should looks like some shadow part. Now this is done. So you can draw it for each letter, and two for the outline part. Okay, so for the outline part, just make outline to lines. Just keep a line which is in the middle, like this one. Okay, don't make an outline to that line, because then it may looks little bit shabby. So just keep this line, and you can make outline to other lines. So I couldn't find a black sketch pen here. I think I just, no, this is not black. So you can make an outline like this. And for the this cartoon calligraphy, you can draw words as per your you can make lot many experiments with the cartoon calligraphy. So there is no such a way that you have to write down like this or like that. You have to draw a individual cartoon in the cartoon calligraphy. You have to draw a individual cartoon in the cartoon calligraphy, because it, if you will draw like a bubble calligraphy, it may not each cartoon may not look properly. So you have to draw letters in the cartoon calligraphy individually. And next thing, while doing a cartoon calligraphy, don't use this crayons or sketch pens or watercolors. Instead you can use the pencil colors. This pencil colors I would suggest you will use for the cartoon calligraphy, because if you will see these are the crayon colors. If I want to draw a eye or something like this, so I won't be able to draw with this sketch pen if I would use this crayons. Same with the sketch pens. Sketch pens may not look proper, it may look shabby, or it won't look that good. For the watercolors, if you will draw a sketch pen on the watercolors, it may get spread. Okay, so instead of using watercolors or crayons or sketch pens, use pencil colors, because pencil color will give you a better look, and the sketch pen will, you can apply a sketch pen on this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.